Hi everyone, I'm Sugosh and welcome back to Human AI. Today we are diving into GitHub Copilot integration with VS Code. I will show you step by step how to set it up and then we will explore some practical coding examples to see how Copilot can assist in real world development. Let's get started then. Okay, let's see how we can integrate GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. You can use any other IDE as well, but I'm using VS Code IDE for this demonstration. And I'm using Python as a development language. Again, you can use any other language as well, but for the demo, I'm using Python. So you have to install VS Code on your local computer. You can get the VS Code application directly from browser. It's a free open source application ID. Similarly, get the Python package downloaded from the browser. Get it 3.12 or the latest. Third one, the GitHub Copilot extension. You can, in the VS Code, you can just install this GitHub Copilot extension from this VS Code. You will see the extension, all the extensions are available here. You can install lots of extension here, but what the GitHub Copilot extension will look like this. Expand, you look like this one, GitHub Copilot Chat. So you have to install both the ones. Then similarly, you have to install the Python extensions for Python programming development. Right, I have already installed the Python environments and debugger in Python and everything. So you have to install all this and other as per your requirement. Then you need you need you need a GitHub account, a GitHub Git in GitHub.com so that you can authenticate your ID with your GitHub account. If you don't have any account in GitHub.com, you just go simply create the account with your email ID and it's a free. You don't have to pay anything. It's just a simple process. Once the account is done, you just authenticate using that account in the VS Code. How to authenticate that here? Just click to this icon. You will see your login option here. Once you click on the login, it will directly redirect you to the github.com and it will show you the account or the accounts available against your email ID or name. Select that account and it will authenticate you directly in the VS Code. You will see your account name something like this. I have account as Sugosh SH in github.com. That's why you are seeing it here, something like this. Once this is done, you are in. The GitHub Copilot is integrated with your Visual Studio Code, right? And you will see some options like this, chat, right? And inline session chat messages. So you will see the statistics of this Copilot, how many times you have used the inline suggestion chat messages percentage. So I have used it once for the demo purpose. I will show you how it works. So I have created one simple first video.py file in my project folder. I have created the virtual environment in my Python virtual environment. I have because I have installed 3.12. That's why you are seeing 3.12.10. Okay, I will create a simple program here, and you will see all the models available in the GitHub Copilot. 4.1, 4.0 mini, all these are free for you to use. Others are premium models, which you have to pay for that. But these are quite 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 helpful for any development. You will get any kind of answer from this models. You can use agent mode or ask mode in this chat option. What is the difference? In the ask mode, when you ask some prompt or the code suggestion, it will return you the code suggestion in this chat window only. But when you select the agent mode, if you ask write some functionality, it will directly write into your main program file. So let's see simple program. I've already created one. I have already one prompt available with me. I will write a one liner prompt here. something like this. Create a Python rock paper scissors game program with user versus computer. Let's see how the agent will create a program in the first underscore video dot py file. Just put enter and we have selected the agent mode. So it should directly write everything in this file only. You don't have to write any line of code. You can refine your prompts again. You can give it proper requirement to the AI, and the agent will act accordingly. We will see the one bigger prompt as well with the proper instructions and everything. So let's first see the one-liner prompt response from agent. Okay, so the agent has created rps.py file because we haven't mentioned in the prompt that you have to write in the first video.py. So the agent is creating a new file rps.py and the test file for that program, right? The agent is doing all its sanity checks and everything. It takes some time based on the program. And you can also add the files as well here. So let's you see the complete program is available here, right? RPS, and the agent is asking whether this is okay or not, and you can just verify the program and directly allow it if it looks okay for you, or you can directly allow it and later you can check after the testing and everything what went wrong and ask agent again to modify the program accordingly. Meanwhile it's thinking, you can also ask the agent to directly, or AI to directly write the code using control I here. You will see, you can write the prompt here as well. Same prompt I can print here and it will write the code in this particular file. So, or this is the second inline suggestions or something like this. You can do this as well. So earlier I had created one program here. So if you see, it will also provide you the suggestions and everything as well based on the comments. We will It will provide you the suggestions as well directly inline call as inline suggestion. We will see in the second video and the next videos how you can generate the code based on the comments. So it's still running. If it's taking long time, then you can stop that as well. Cancel your last ask and and reshare the prompt and can try with the different model as well, 4.1 as well. Okay, so let's try with the other prompt. Okay, this is a longer prompt. Write a Python program, rocks is a requirement. I am providing the specific requirement. User plays against the computer. Computer randomly chooses rock, paper, scissors, put their choices, compare choice and decide winner based on rules. So I have provided the specific rules, so the AI, the agent will take care of all these functionalities. Okay, all these rules and everything I have provided specifically in my this prompt. So let's see how I will choose a different model this time. Let's see how it works now. You just we don't see that here, right? Let's ask them to add the program in first video file, video.py file. Okay, so it's already added. Now it's added. You can select, you can review the program, you can review the code what the agent has provided, and um, you can you can just reject that or just keep it. You can just save it, and now let's see the how we can run that. Okay, now the program is, let's close this chat box. Let's see. The program is running. Okay. Welcome to the rock paper scissor, right? Welcome. This is the welcome print, and and you the program is asking for your answer. Enter rock paper scissor or quit. Let's put rock. You choose rock, computer choose paper. You see the you lose. So similarly, you can choose paper. Now the program will continue until you you enter quit or queue. Again you lose. So this is kind of AI assistant you can get from the GitHub Copilot. You don't have to write any function. You don't have to write any code, but definitely you should review your code what AI is providing. Sometime it hallucinate. It depends on your prompts again. If you're providing a good prompt, like we have provided in the last requirement with the detailed requirement and rules, something like that, then the program will go step by step and create your functionality based on that. So it depends on your prompting in prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is again a different topic that we can explore in the upcoming videos. But for for today, I think that's it. If you like it, just subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos on AI. We next in the next video, I will show how you can configure the GitHub Copilot configuration settings so that you can reject the reject the programming languages in your VS Code and allow some you can restrict Copilot suggestions and everything. We will see that in the next video. Thank you for today.